Times Now has also accessed Deepesh Sawant's statement. Remember, Deepesh was on the staff for Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, he claims that he saw Sushant smoke marijuana, weed, in September of 2018. He goes on to say that Sushant wanted to quit the film industry, I believe. That's what he said. Wanted to quit Bollywood. Yes. Mohit, this is the statement we've accessed. We put that up on the screen right now. Just walk us through what Deepesh has told the agency. He says he's gone on record to say that he saw Sushant Singh Rajput smoke weed, smoke marijuana, and also said that he wanted to quit Bollywood.
Well, you know, Arthur, there have been multiple statements which have already come so far, but the end point, the real point in question right now of the NCB is that they want to corroborate all these statements, and that's exactly what is happening right behind us in this building on the third floor. The idea behind, corroborating the statements, or for that matter, questioning the same people again and again, is to, churn out any anomalies, any discrepancies that there may be within these own statements. Also, the idea behind them is to understand as to what was the extent of this entire nexus. We've brought to you those remand copies as well of various people, including Samuel Miranda, Shobhik Chakravarti, in which it was very clear that there was drug dealings that were going on. It was very clear that transportation up till a delivery of till about your own house was something that was being made possible. For people like you and me, delivery of food is something that we bank upon, but here, it was the drug delivery that was also made possible by them. But that delivery section and the transactions are something which really have put all these accused in a spot right now. The NCB is cross-questioning them based on the CDR analysis as well as the digital footprint. Now, in terms of footprint and CDR analysis, their locations were zeroed in as to whether or not all of them were collectively under in a triangulated area at the same time or not, and that is something that has emerged on quite a few occasions. So the NCB is really cross-questioning them based on that as well.
All right.
Now, other than that,
stay on. I just want to quickly check in with Kajal on this. Kajal, if you're still with us, Deepesh's statement is very interesting. He says he's gone on record on his voluntary statement to the Narcotics Control Bureau. He says, and he claims that he saw Sushant smoke weed way back in 2018 September. He also says Sushant wanted to quit Bollywood, something, of course, that has come up earlier as well. But Deepesh's own voluntary statement now perhaps would also count when the final investigation of this is over.
Yes, it will be very crucial because Deepesh was one of the house staff who not only was with him till 2019 initially, and then joined him again in the early months of 2020. And he has, of course, had a long association with Sushant, as you can see from those timelines that we just mentioned. Another aspect, of course, is that this entire talk of Sushant wanting to quit Bollywood, each person who's given a statement does seem to have spoken about that, including the family, but everyone's reasons and versions of why he wanted to quit Bollywood and what he wanted to do after that seem to differ. So that is something that the investigation will throw more light on, because based on that, any motives can be ascribed to people who were along with him in that flat and who were along with him during his last days. So that is something that needs to be found out, because the financial angle, remember, was one of the most important things that had been mentioned in the FIR. The other aspect, of course, is that he claims that he saw Sushant smoke up in 2018. The other members also, it seems, have said something to a similar effect. Whether this is being said to shield themselves from the fact that they were not consuming, they were only providing, or whether this is the truth, that is something the investigation will have to find out now.
All right. We've also, in fact, accessed the line of questioning Riya is undergoing right now. 26 questions that the NCB is likely to ask Riya Chakravarti today. Remember, she is currently undergoing questioning and will do so for the next foreseeable, I believe, 2 to 3 hours, we've been told. Could be longer. We don't know. We'll, of course, keep on the story. Thank you, Kajal, Mohit and Tamal. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.